So when you log into your YouTube studio, if you're already a YouTube partner, then you can start monetizing YouTube Shorts, because as soon as you log into your YouTube studio page, you should see this notification at the top here. Now, in case you're not seeing it right now, then just be patient. You're going to see it not too long from now. So keep logging into your YouTube studio page until you see this notification and it says action required, accept new terms and stay in the YouTube partner program and start earning short ad revenue. Basically, you're going to start monetizing YouTube Shorts on your channel. Even though you are already monetizing other videos, to monetize Shorts, you need to accept, review and accept these new terms and conditions. So click on review and accept. Then you should see this pop-up window, review updated terms. What's changing is we're updating the YouTube Partner Program terms. To stay in the YouTube Partner Program, you need to review and accept the updated terms by July 10th, 2023. Now, I'll just do that right now. Once you accept these new terms, you can enable new ways to earn, such as shorts and feed ads. So go ahead and first of all, accept the base terms. Review first. So click on review, and then make sure you read all this stuff. Once you read, accept the base terms by clicking on that and clicking on accept. And then once those are accepted, go to step 2, watch page terms. These terms let you earn from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. So go ahead and review those as well. This is basically explaining some of the stuff you already know, which about ads on the content watch page, and also about the YouTube video player, and also advertising revenue and how they'll pay you 55% of the revenue, and also subscription revenues. These are from super likes and things like that when you're streaming. Make sure you read all that stuff and then click on accept and then select accept. And once you've accepted both, go ahead and click on submit. Now, to start earning from short feed ads, go ahead and turn it on. So click on go turn on. This can only appear once you've accepted the terms. So click on go turn on. So you can see from shorts feeds ad and from ads and YouTube Premium in shorts feed. Go ahead and click on turn on. So make sure you read all this stuff, but the most important thing here is YouTube will pay you 45% of shorts ad revenue. So that's very important, not 55%. This time it's going to be 45%. And they're going to be putting ads sometimes before YouTube Shorts on YouTube Shorts search page. Just make sure you read all that stuff and then accept. So click on that checkbox and then click on accept. There you go. So as you can see, Shorts feed ad revenue sharing starts in February 2023. So in a few short weeks, we're going to start monetizing and actually earning revenue from YouTube Shorts. That's basically how you can enable monetization of YouTube Shorts in your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.